Hey everyone, hope you guys are all well. I'm just shooting this quick video. Marvik, I'd spoken to you about this late last week, just before the weekend, and this is regarding the ManyChat Messenger bot flow that we've set up. So you guys would have probably seen or may have heard, Joseph as well, I'd spoken to you about this. So this right here, what you can see is a workflow that is set up in ManyChat, which is a messenger bot third-party program. So I'm sending this out as a retargeting tool to anyone on Facebook running a campaign. So anyone who interacts with this or the ad that this is connected to will trigger this workflow within their messenger. So it's basically an automated retargeting tool. So it's going out to anyone who has interacted with the Cosmos Clinic Facebook page, Instagram page, or web page at any time in the last 3 months. So anyone who's visited the page, we're re-hitting them with this. So the initial message is, thanks for taking the time to look at Cosmos Clinic. Please feel free to select the procedure below to learn more information. So we've got the 3 most popular procedures there. We're only able to have 3 options at any time on a message, hence why there's only 3 there. So each one will have a bit more information about the costs involved, recovery times, and then also give them an opportunity to book a consultation with a clinic. So at the moment, this book consultation button that you can see throughout the workflow that I've set up so far just directs straight over to the booking or the contact us page on the Cosmos Clinic homepage. So an additional thing that I've just set up, and I've just been testing, I was testing on Friday, and then today I actually had to integrate everything and connect it all up. But anyone who goes through this flow and goes all the way to the end, they all get tagged with a certain tag within here, and then I'm going to follow them up a day later with the following flow. So this is the new one that I've just built out, and I just wanted to show you guys what I've done. So basically, this one is a bit more aggressive, a bit more conversion based. So it'll just be 24 hours after they've finished the previous one, or the previous messenger bot that I just showed you and had on the screen earlier. So it'll just be, hey, first name. For a limited time, you can book a free consultation with one of our expert cosmetic surgeons. So what I've done now is I've split it out into the clinic that they're after. So I've just got the next message will be, select your preferred clinic, so then they can go through and either click Double Bay, Benowa, North Adelaide, or Deakin. And so what I've done here is, this is where I'm collecting their information. So if they click through, then they'll respond to the messenger bot through Messenger and be able to book an appointment directly on their messenger. Now the powerful thing about this is, it's getting unbelievably good open rates and interaction rates from people. So we're seeing upwards of 95 to 100% open rate on these messages. So unlike email, it's very similar if you think about email, EDM workflows and that sort of thing. Same strategies, but because it's with Messenger, it's a bit more personalized, and everyone's got their phone on them. Everyone who has Messenger will likely have the Messenger app, so they're getting these messages straight through to them. So we're seeing up pretty much 100%, 90 to 100% open rates. So what I'm able to do here is actually collect their email, collect their phone number, and then get them to give me a bit more information about what procedure they're after. So I've just prompted them those 3 questions, and then once they fill that out and give us those answers, I'll just either say thank you, someone from Double Bay will be in touch, someone from North Adelaide, so wherever they're coming from, wherever they click through. So I've actually hooked this up into your campaign monitor. So exactly the same way that the current lead forms that we're running are working, I've set it up again the exact same way. So you'll see if you guys log into your campaign monitor account, you can see I've got 4 new lists here, each named ManyChat Flow with the clinic next to them. So it's exactly the same process as when someone signs up to a lead form that we're running on the Facebook platform. But this one is more retargeting and hitting people that know about Cosmos and then getting them through that way. So what you guys will need to do is just fix up and set up your notifications. So anyone who does come through these workflows, is actually getting picked up, and you guys are getting notified about it, so you can actually give them a call and get them into the clinic. So we're not dropping any leads there, and no one's slipping through the cracks. So how you do that, little crash course for you guys if you had forgotten. You just log into the Campaign Monitor account. I'm sure you guys will have access to that. If you don't, just let Marvick know or let myself know. I can jump in and invite you guys over. But what you want to do is, so say if I'm from the Canberra clinic, I just click through listen subscribers onto the ManyChat flow for Canberra. I'll then, oops, sorry, don't even need to go that far. So just on the listen subscribers page, jump over to the manage my preferences. So click on manage my preferences. Ideally, you should already have whatever list in here that you need. So if you're from the Canberra clinic, you should have notify me instantly any lead form for Canberra. And then if you jump in and just add the ManyChat flow for Canberra as well. So you'll start getting the leads come through that look like the exact same way that they do from the Facebook ads, but that will be through Messenger. So if you jump in and just add those subscription preferences in there so you get notified, so we know that those leads are going through to you guys, that would be cool. But if you've got any questions there, let me know. But yeah, like I said, ManyChat, it's really, really powerful. You can even see here, I'll jump in and just give you an idea of the sort of click-through rates and the open rates that we're seeing. So the current one, the retargeting one that we're running now, so out of 118 people that it's been sent to, every single one of those has opened this, or they've seen it, sorry. Nearly 100%, 97% have opened it, and 81% have clicked on this at some point. So it's hugely powerful. It's really, really impactful. And this additional workflow that I've just set up that will go out a day later, this is all free. As in, we have these subscribers here now in our ManyChat. We can hit them up with messages free. We can create automations, send flows to them, send broadcasts out to them. And as soon as they're signed up, unless they request to be disconnected or want to unsubscribe, we can hit these guys up at any time with a message around, a promotional message, something like that. So there's also that opportunity. So give me a shout if you guys want to explore a bit more about this, and we can go from there. But I hope you guys are having a good day, and I will chat to you soon. Thank you.